Hello, salute, welcome to another programming tips from Ridipone. So you guys care about performance, right? So let's watch this little clip of a very famous movie and let's take it from there.
Hi, honey, I'm home.
So this was a scene from the famous Short Circuit movie, which I recommend. Again, you gotta see it. The reason I show you guys this movie is so you can connect the dots and remember this. So let's take a look. What is this all about? So short circuit is a way to stop electricity from flowing. Performance-wise, you can stop the execution of your code if you already got the answer. What does that mean? So look, I have this simple program here that collects the username and password and try to log in. It's more like a pseudocode implementation. So behind the scenes, it calls this login function, username and password, does some crazy validations, it goes to database, lots of hopping around. And then it checks if the username entered also username and password, so make sure those things are not blank. So on the surface, this code would work, but is it efficient, right? If you want to take advantage of short circuit in your code, you will rearrange this check. Instead of this, let me comment this out. You can do this. So before you do any validation against the database, whatever services you're running, first check if username and password are blank. Due to short circuit, if this expression proves to be false and we are using an AND, your program execution stops right there. And you will get a message, failed login. So check for password and doing the actual login do not take place. This is called short circuit in your code. Why this is important? Because if you put the lightest conditions on the beginning, you can stop the flow of your program from executing heavy-duty code, which makes it efficient. So this applies to languages like C#, JavaScript. I know T-SQL and SQL Server doesn't honor this, so you got to check with your language. But keep this in mind, right? Put the lightest condition in your if first. The one that take the least resource cycles. Then put the heavy duty towards the right. Keep doing that and you will see your code will execute faster and you hit major performance milestones. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. Please subscribe for more tips. Bye-bye.